So, Rob, you challenged me to another photo challenge, huh? Well, here we go. Boudoir photos. Sexy boudoir photos featuring camera gear. That's the challenge you made, Rob? That's the challenge? Okay. Photo gear, because Rob's idea of sexy is looking at cameras and lenses rather than his woman. Rob, you weirdo.
I feel like Caitlin's gonna have something to say about that.
Probably, but I think Rob wanted just to show off everybody how big his Manfrotto was. Get it? Manfrotto tripod? It's a joke about large tripods. Manfrotto, Rob. The first thing to define is boudoir. That's bedroom. We all know the boudoir style photo is just bedroom photography. Typically, that's lingerie, sexy, showing off a lot of skin and all that kind of stuff. But I thought we'd take this a little bit different direction because, see, the idea of what sexy is subjective. What I find sexy and what you find sexy are completely different things. Potentially, they might be the same thing. Who knows? You never know. That's kind of the point. You like this closet backdrop here on my wife's clothes behind me? It's pretty cool. Find that to be sexy because they're, hanging. I'm all about that hanging stuff. I thought with this challenge, rather than showing my wife, half naked or something, which I'm totally fine with, but she's got a job and we can't really get away with that super easily. So I thought instead of just showing her half naked, we'd tell a story featuring camera gear. We'd tell a story using the idea of boudoir photography. I just thought it would be fun to do something that's not the typical boudoir style photo. We'd tell a story. You can decide what that story is based on the photos that I will show you here in just a little bit, but we're going to tell a story hopefully through these photos and have some fun. So join me. Gotta set up lights in the bedroom.
I've tried to explain how much you really mean to me, but I feel a bit insane. Could you just take me seriously? I get jealous, I get down, running to the clubs trying to have fun, but I'm always jealous, it goes around. We should cut to the chase right about now. I think we should talk about it, diving deep, let it go, see you want it. Talk about it, gotta know that you want it. Talk about it, diving deep, let it go, see you want it. Talk about it, gotta know that you want it. Hate playing the game, if I let you in, I want you to stay. And I hope that I'm not wrong, and you also feel what's going on. I get jealous, I get down, running to the clubs trying to have fun, but I'm always jealous, it goes around. We should cut to the chase right about now. I think we should talk about it, diving deep, let it go, see you want it. Talk about it, gotta know that you want it. Talk about it, diving deep, let it go, see you want it. Talk about it, gotta know that you want it. 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 Talk about it. Talk about it. I get jealous, I get down, running to the clubs trying to have fun, but I'm always jealous, it goes around. We should cut to the chase